Are you tired of the same old cup of coffee and yearn for the indulgent, velvety goodness found in specialty coffeehouse beverages? The Ninja Coffee Bar Milk Frother Press is here to transform your coffee routine into a delightful experience that rivals your favorite café. Unlock the art of frothing with Press Froth Technology. The Ninja Coffee Bar Easy Milk Frother introduces a game-changing Press Froth technology, revolutionizing the way you froth milk. Designed with a microwave-safe glass, this frother allows you to heat, pump, and transform everyday milk into a perfect microfoam within seconds. Now, you can effortlessly create those luxurious coffeehouse specialties in the comfort of your home. Professional frothing results at your fingertips. What sets the Ninja Easy Frother apart is its specially designed press, engineered to deliver professional-grade milk frothing results. Say goodbye to the complexities of creating frothy, delicious milk for your drinks. This frother makes it quick and easy, ensuring your specialty coffee bar drinks are ready in seconds. Versatile design for hot or cold frothing. Whether you prefer the comforting warmth of a hot cappuccino or the refreshing coolness of an iced latte, the Ninja Easy Frother has you covered. Its unique design accommodates both hot and cold milk frothing, allowing you to diversify your at-home coffee creations and enjoy your favorite beverages in any season. Convenient microwave-safe glass beaker. Experience the convenience of a microwave-safe glass frothing beaker. This feature not only adds a layer of simplicity to your frothing process, but also ensures that your milk is heated to perfection, contributing to the creation of a creamy, voluminous froth for your beverages. Effortless cleanup with dishwasher-safe components. After crafting your perfect coffee creation, the last thing you want is a cumbersome cleanup. The Ninja Easy Frother takes care of that concern with its dishwasher-safe components. Enjoy your specialty coffee without the hassle of scrubbing. Simplicity at its finest. Why you need the Ninja Coffee Bar Milk Frother Press. The Ninja Coffee Bar Milk Frother Press isn't just an appliance. It's a gateway to a world of indulgent coffee experiences. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and unlock the potential of creating coffeehouse quality drinks in the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.